Okay, people, this is what I do on the weekends. I go check my birds, see how they're doing, bring them vegetables. As you see there, vegetables, which includes celery, broccoli, egg. Egg will give them protein, broccoli, iron, and then the celery will just clean them up, clean the system. They do digest the celery very quick. All right. Give them the seeds. All right. Keep them cool for a little bit. All right. Birds are breeding. They need to eat plenty food, guys, when they're breeding. All right. You want those babies to be healthy. You know, babies on the inside the boxes here, which I got. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. All right. A heater is a must. You know, you get it. I'm in the south, I'm in Georgia. It's getting a little cool down here, so just keep, keep them warm. Water that's a must right there. Every 2-3 days, fresh water. You can get a multi-drop out of Petco or a local shop, local bird shop, Petco, Petco, whatever. All right. Yeah. I'm going to show you now, I'm breeding. I'm breeding on the toe right here, having a clutch. You see number 20 right here. Let me go check number 20. It's my hobby, guys, but I'm also trying to do some wholesale right here. As my plan, I've been selling local, but since with the pandemic, the business has slowed down a bit. But I'm more